Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We will be unboxing this package. Okay, so Canada Post have been on strike for a very long time, like very long time. So finally, like over 3 weeks now. So finally it landed, it came in. Okay, so let us go right into it. Okay. My boots. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so let me try it. Perfect. Let me keep this camera well. This is beautiful. Oh my god. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I'm very lightweight, like lightweight. Okay. The other one. Ooh, the feel. Very light too. I didn't know it would be this light. Very light. Very light. Does it have pockets? Oh, I love this.